Yo, what's up, fam? Tired of banks charging you fees? Sick of lawyers taking forever? What if I told you there's a way to bypass all that? Welcome to the world of Ethereum. It's not just crypto, it's the future of the internet, and we're about to break it down. Okay, so picture this. Ethereum is like a giant global computer, but instead of running on servers controlled by some megacorp, it's powered by thousands of computers worldwide. It's decentralized, meaning no one's in charge. Think of it as an app store, but open to everyone. No Apple, no Google, just pure, unfiltered innovation. Unlike Bitcoin, which is basically digital gold, Ethereum lets you build apps using something called smart contracts. Smart contracts are basically self-executing programs. They do what they're told, no BS. Let's say you want to bet on a football game with your friend. Normally, you'd need a middleman, right? But with Ethereum, a smart contract holds the money and pays the winner automatically. It's like a vending machine for transactions. Think of it like a digital handshake that can't be broken. No trust needed, just code. So, who's the genius behind this? Vitalik Buterin, a young programmer who was like, Bitcoin's cool, but it could be way cooler. He launched Ethereum in 2015 and it blew up. We've had some wild moments like the DAO hack, oops, and the legendary merge, which basically made Ethereum super eco-friendly. It's like going from a gas-guzzling truck to an electric scooter. Okay, let's get technical for a sec. Ethereum runs on a blockchain like a digital public ledger. Everything's recorded and transparent. Smart contracts do their thing, and Ether, ETH, is the currency used to pay for transactions. Think of it as the gas for this digital engine. Imagine renting an apartment without a landlord breathing down your neck. Send the deposit in ETH, and the smart contract gives you access. Boom! No middlemen, just pure digital efficiency. Now, like any good tech, Ethereum has its pros and cons. Pros, decentralized, no one's the boss. Smart contracts, automation for the win. Security, blockchain is like Fort Knox, innovation, always getting better. Cons, gas fees, can get pricey at peak times. Scalability, can slow down when it's crowded. Complexity, coding smart contracts ain't easy. But don't worry, they're working on it. Layer 2 solutions and sharding are going to make things faster and cheaper. So what's next? Ethereum 2.0 is coming. Layer 2 solutions are booming, and we're seeing real-world adoption. DeFi and NFTs are changing the game. Will Ethereum dominate the digital economy? Only time will tell, but it's definitely a major player. Now, you might be wondering, what about Solana? It's fast and cheap, but it's got some centralization and outage issues. Ethereum's still the king of security and adoption, so there you have it. Ethereum is more than just crypto. It's the foundation of a new, decentralized world. It's not perfect, but it's evolving. Stay tuned, fam, because this is just the beginning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech breakdowns. Peace out.